In this video, we'll show you how to use cloud phones for eBay. Let's set everything up step by step. This is your Multilogin dashboard. This is where you will create mobile and browser profiles for your accounts. Multilogin provides real Android phones in the cloud. Use them to manage eBay listings, answer buyer messages, monitor sales, and handle your store from anywhere. Click Create to begin. Give your profile a name and select how many phones you want. Each phone runs independently. Select eBay as your use case. This adds an icon to your profile. You can also use tags to organize stores or product categories. Add a proxy to give your phone a local IP address. Select Multilogin as your proxy provider. Choose where you'd like your phone to connect from. Pick from over 150 locations worldwide. Select a phone brand and model to create a realistic Android device profile. Click Create to save your phone. Start your phone by pressing the play button. Your cloud phone is ready. Use it just like any Android device. Access file uploads, screen controls, and extra settings from the sidebar. Open the apps icon to access the App Store. Search for eBay and install it. You can also add shipping, inventory, or marketplace apps. Open eBay once the installation is complete. Sign in and start managing listings, tracking orders, and communicating with buyers from your cloud phone. You can scale your account depending on how many shops you need. Just repeat the same steps and connect more cloud phones. Multilogin cloud phones make it easy to manage multiple eBay accounts without physical devices. Click the link and get started today.